today's episode, we are up underneath my 96 F250 and we're going to change out this fuel filter. I've only had this truck a few weeks and have been trying to go through and fix stuff up, figure out why she doesn't have all the horsepower she needs before I go and yank out the motor. So this is a pretty simple swap out, provided you have one of these little fuel disconnect tools. It's got two different sizes on it, and what you do is you wrap this around the thing, clamp it, and then push it in, and it pushes this little spring that's here out of the way and pops it off. Obviously, when I do that, I'm going to be covered in in fuel. So let's see how bad this is going to be. It's not one to let go. Sure looks like the right size, but it's not. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump you. There it goes. And we got gas all over us. Yay! Just what I wanted to smell like. Definitely don't need no damn spark around here. Alright, let's see if we can get that thing off or not. Alright, so we're going to pull this bracket off here instead of trying to wiggle that thing through. And it requires a 10 millimeter. There's two little bolts on the side with the nuts on there. Alright, let's see if we can get that tool in there now. And it is not wanting to go in. Alright, 15 tries later, and we finally got it. Come on, let go my ego. There we go. And we got a lot of fuel out of it. Wow. That thing was nasty. All right. That fuel was extremely dirty. I mean, nasty. Which means I probably got some crap in these gas tanks. So, means my future may entail cleaning both fuel tanks. I don't think it's got to go all the way. Going back together is much easier. They just snap right on. Now we put these net washers back on the back side.